How to fix Macy's order tracking not updating. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Macy's website. Here, you can simply click on your name at the top right. After you click on your name at the top right, it will lead you to this page. Here, scroll down and click on Purchases and Returns. After you click on Purchases and Returns, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, if you scroll down, you'll find all these options. Here, click on Order Lookup and add all your informations. After you've added all your informations, which is order number, email address, or phone number, and press on View Order, make sure your informations are correct. If the informations are not correct, it won't update. And also make sure everything is correct, or if email is not working, you can use phone number, and if phone number is not working, you can use email to do that. And this is how to fix Macy's order tracking not updating. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.